here coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one. This is now available in the US. I haven't seen it around, but I've seen it online and people have had it found. Yeah, you can get it here. But this is the Korean version of the cream carbo, the Bulddak. And I thought, hey, let's do this. So that's what we're going to do. So, 5 minutes of cook time. That is what's going to happen today. Whoa. Whoa. There we go. There we are. And we're going to do 5 minutes on the burl. And about it for 5 minutes. Noodle block in the water. Yeah, throw little bitsies in there. And little bits and pieces and such. So we got that going. We got that going. It is Friday for me here in Kenmore, Washington. That's what I'm doing right now. This one is going to have a mukbang. It's going to be lunch. So it sounds like fun. It will be fun. You'll be enthralled, and that's what's going on. So the sickness continues. So my son's got influenza A, which is like bona fide sicko sick, which really sucks. Now my poor daughter, she got up this morning with a fever, so it's no good. We actually got an email last night, yeah, and it was from my daughter's kindergarten teacher saying, "Hey," and it wasn't to us; it was like to all the parents saying, "Hey, stuff be going on here, yo, because." 15 kids are absent due to illness. It's like, wow. Everybody's just getting wretchedly ill lately. So hopefully that will run through its course and everyone will be well again soon. So far, I've been doing all right. I'm happy about that. I have been sick already this year, so hopefully that'll be that. Fingers crossed. I'm sure I'm going to get sick again. As much as I'd like to not get sick again, I'm sure I will. Hey, be nice out there. Miles, I'm talking to you. So they both get sick. He picks on her. She's gonna like wallop him. I see a wallop in his future. He likes to be annoying big brother. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it goes well. Miles, be nice. Sit up on the couch, please. I'm trying to work out here. I'm doing stuff and things. Did I mention my wife got me a new Christmas tree ornament? It's actually for us. So when we first got together, it was online. And there was this song that was kind of like our song. It was by Bjork, and it's called it was like, the lyrics are like, I miss you, but I haven't met you yet. She got a Bjornament? It's Bjork, but it's an ornament. It's cool. So now we have a Bjorkament. It's fun to say, Bjorkament. But yeah. I'm really looking forward to trying these noodles out. I'm excited. And tonight there's this luminary walk thing. I think I'm going to do it. So basically they put tea lights, the LED tea lights, in white paper bags. And they line them. They did it around City Hall last time that they did that. But this time they're doing it on the Burt Gilman Trail down by Log Boom Park. So that should be interesting. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Maybe there'll be wild animals and people get like swooped up and eaten. That would be fun. But I don't think it'll be that much fun. That would be fun though. I would definitely be enthused at that kind of thing. I don't think we're gonna see that though. But yeah, this one, 5 minutes boiling, and then you drain, but you save 8 spoons of water. I mean, 8 spoons. Had an argument with the guy, oh, Korean spoons are a different size. You should know that. You don't know anything. Like, actually, the company told me they're 15 mils a piece, which is the same as a tablespoon. So that's 120 milliliters. That's almost a half a cup. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to grab my useful baby bottle and my little quarter cup measure, and I need 120 mils on the nose. So where is 120? It's up there somewhere. Let's see. We're gonna add, whoa. Yeah, I hear you. Let's allow that to go. This is done. I need to drain this. Where's 120? It's up. Definitely much higher. Okay. But yeah, for exacting measure requirements, I tell you what, man, baby bottles are where it's at. Because a lot of the time, if you've got like a sick, very small child, the doctor will say something like, give them at least, they need to have at least 60 milliliters of this per day. That kind of thing. Yeah, that looks good. That is, God, that's just over, like the tiniest amount. I want it to be freaking spot on, laser correct. I think I'm like 2 milliliters low now. About as good as I'm gonna get it. All right. So now it gets interesting. That's a paper towel. That's a good spot. Okay, all right. Spinning around. So we're gonna leave this on. I'm gonna drain this. Noodles in here. Liquid in here. And you can be like, how? Why? No! No, that's really what you do. This is per corporate direction. Oh, when I make it at home, I don't do all that. I just drain it and put it all in there. You're diluting it. You're doing this, you're doing that. I know, I'm following the rules. Isn't it horrible? I have to follow the manufacturer's directions on everything. I mean, I don't, but then how am I providing a level playing field for all comers? See? I've got scruples. Honestly, if you're not doing what I'm doing, people just get really ticked off though. They're like, that's not how you make it. You're diluting it. That's not how you make it. Their spoons are different. No, it's great. Now we're going to do this for about 30 seconds. Basically, stir frying it. There is a certain amount of liquid with it. And I got this new plate, and I'm kind of bummed that there is a certain amount of liquid that'll end up with it, because this plate doesn't really have any depth to it. Come on. Come up to temperature. while we wait for it to get up to a decent boil, I'll show you the Bjorkman. Let's see if I can find it on here. Where is she? Is that her? Yeah, there she is. There's the Bjorkman. She's all bjorked out. Anyways. So that should be going good now. Just gotta get it really cruising along, because most of this stuff should just thicken up. I think that's the golden plan here. I know, you're probably like, why are you using the back burner for such a large skillet? And basically the reason for that is because if I'm gonna do a mukbang, I don't want to do it where I'm gonna like have to put my elbows on a hot burner that's in front. That's called pain, and I'm not looking to experience pain other than in my mouth. Although I can tell, you know, I mean, it's a cream variety, so it's not going to be exceedingly hot. But it looks and smells absolutely wonderful. But if you're watching this come out, I'm going to guess this will be like late March. This video will come out at 2 p.m. and the mukbang will come out at 4 p.m. I've kind of changed up how I do the times on these. That's a lot for you to handle. Just subscribe, and there'll be a thing that'll warn you that the mukbang will have, I'll set that as a premiere. Even though it is November, I'm setting premieres in March. Isn't that crazy? Okay, I think we are about to where we should be. We've definitely stir-fried this beyond the point of 30 to 45 seconds. But notice when you do a skillet, you lose a lot of the liquid. So this is going to thicken up because there's more surface that the liquid is losing that hydration from. That's words and stuff. But yeah, I really wanted to use my new plate. I don't think it'll work out so well. It's rather flat, but here it is. I got it just for this, but it was definitely the wrong kind of plate to get. So I will use the tried and true mukbang plate. Where the heck is it? Oh, it's under that. And oh crud, I don't want this to burn. Yeah. One moment. Oh, it's lost a lot of that sauce. It might be worthy now for that plate. I'm gonna give it a shot. If it doesn't work out, then I will go with original plan and use the other plate. Well, original new plan, pro plan, plan B. B is in barricade. Okay, so what we're gonna do first off, get some of the schmutz off of here. Holy cow. And actually first, put that over here. This is my helper cup. You'll see why. Okay, come on. Yeah. What you putting in that cup for, Ramen Raider? I don't understand these weird world things you're doing. Don't worry. At least I know the stove is clean. The only thing that's been on it is stuff from this. I wanted to eat it all though. Can't eat all of it. Well, I'm doing a mukbang except for a couple little specks of gunk. So, just know that. So this is to aid in plating on the beautiful Aegean Sea. Shut that bloody bazooki off, eh? All right, I'm gonna try putting it right. I'm gonna put it right here next to this pretty little happy thing. Ooh, almost. Yeah, that didn't get too saucy. I really wanted it over here, but there's no way to do that now without making the plate look like an absolute mess. Here is some of my chicken. It is just regular sauteed chicken with, what do you call it? A little cumin, some Peruvian seasoning, some spring onion, and some seed from the sesame region. I know it looks weird. It's not at all how I envisioned this coming out. I was planning on having almost like a little mountain next to the plant life and possibly topping the tops of the plant life with the chicken, but that just did not work out. Unfortunato, so this is what we get. Anyways, so there we are. Wow, it's getting dark already. It's like 1:50. And it's December, yeah, it's not November. It's December 2nd, 2022. So let's have some new music. And, yeah. Alright, cool. Look out for that mukbang. It'll be coming up in a couple hours for you there. Yeah. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.